Hi guys, James here from Swithin Bank Estate Agents. Today it's my absolute pleasure to present to you this stunning detached family home here on Woodhouse Lane in Sale. Let's go take a look inside. So there we have it guys, Woodhouse Lane. What a stunning family home. If you would like more information on the property or to book your place on the open day, please get in touch on the details that follow. I'm James from Swithin Bank Estate Agents. Thank you for watching.